think that switched it around good enough. That's all I really wanted to do with it. But you can see it's running, but the carb is running like shit. So I'm gonna have to pull the carb, and I'm gonna dunk it in my cleaner machine and try to get it cleaned out. I'll go up to the store later and get some more carb cleaner and spray through it and clean it up. Maybe it'll run better. So, but yeah, it should. I don't think it'll freeze anymore. I mean, it's supposed to get cold, but I put enough antifreeze in it and washed it around a little bit, so it should be fine. Alright guys, we'll be back.